What if the universe is teeming with life and Earth is just one small chapter in a much larger story? Imagine a future where humanity isn't confined to this pale blue dot, but instead we're exploring distant worlds that could be home to entirely new forms of life. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of exoplanets, 20 incredible worlds beyond our solar system that might just have what it takes to support life. From planets with liquid water to those with atmospheres that could breathe life into the unknown, this journey will take us to the edges of what we know and beyond. In a time where futuristic technologies are pushing the boundaries of space exploration, the search for extraterrestrial life has never been more exciting. So, buckle up and get ready to explore these distant worlds, because the universe might be far more alive than we ever imagined. Stay with us, and by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new perspective on our place in the cosmos. Let's begin this cosmic adventure, now turning to our first destination, Proxima Centauri b, a planet that has captured the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. Located just 4.24 light-years away, this exoplanet sits comfortably within the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. What makes this world so intriguing is its Earth-like size, raising the tantalizing possibility of liquid water on its surface. But here's the catch: Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star known for its intense stellar flares. These eruptions of energy could pose significant challenges for any potential life, as they might strip away the planet's atmosphere or make conditions too harsh for survival. Despite these hurdles, Proxima Centauri b holds a special place in our quest for life beyond Earth. It's the closest known exoplanet to us, making it a prime candidate for future exploration. Imagine the day when we might send probes or even spacecraft to this neighboring world, unlocking secrets that could redefine our understanding of life in the universe. For now, Proxima Centauri b stands as a beacon of hope and curiosity, reminding us that the cosmos is full of possibilities waiting to be discovered. Now turning to our next destination, TRAPPIST-1e, a fascinating world nestled within the TRAPPIST-1 system. This planet is one of 7 Earth-sized siblings orbiting an ultra-cool dwarf star, making it a standout candidate in the search for life beyond our solar system. What makes TRAPPIST-1e so special is its rocky composition, which closely resembles Earth's, and its location within the habitable zone of its star. This means it could potentially host liquid water on its surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. The ultra-cool dwarf star at the heart of this system is much smaller and cooler than our Sun, but it provides just enough warmth to keep TRAPPIST-1e in that sweet spot where conditions might be just right. However, this star's temperament is worth noting. Its lower energy output means the planet could be tidally locked, with one side perpetually facing the star and the other in eternal darkness. This creates a unique environment where life, if it exists, might thrive in the twilight zone between these extremes. Despite these challenges, TRAPPIST-1e remains a prime candidate for supporting life, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the diversity of potentially habitable worlds in our galaxy. As we continue to study this intriguing system, we inch closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Now turning to Kepler 452b, a planet that has earned the nickname Earth's cousin for its striking similarities to our own world. Located approximately 1,400 light-years away, Kepler 452b orbits a Sun-like star within its habitable zone, where conditions could allow for liquid water to exist. This planet is not only similar in size to Earth, but also shares a comparable orbital period, taking about 385 days to complete one trip around its star. What makes Kepler 452b particularly intriguing is its age, estimated to be around 6 billion years, making it significantly older than Earth. This extra time could mean that any potential life on this planet has had more opportunity to evolve and thrive. The star it orbits is also remarkably similar to our Sun, providing a stable source of energy that could support a temperate climate. Scientists believe that Kepler 452b might have a thicker atmosphere and possibly even active volcanoes, adding to its Earth-like qualities. Its discovery marked a significant milestone in the search for habitable planets, as it remains one of the most Earth-like exoplanets ever found. As we continue to study this distant world, Kepler 452b offers a glimpse into what Earth might look like in the distant future, and it raises exciting questions about the potential for life in other corners of the galaxy. Now turning to LHS 1140b, a fascinating super-Earth located approximately 40 light-years away, nestled within the habitable zone of a red dwarf star. This planet stands out for its dense atmosphere, which could potentially trap enough heat to allow liquid water to exist on its surface. Unlike some other exoplanets orbiting red dwarfs, LHS 1140b benefits from a relatively stable environment, as its star is less prone to violent stellar flares that could strip away its atmosphere. This stability makes it a strong candidate for hosting life. Scientists believe that LHS 1140b is likely a rocky planet, similar in composition to Earth, which further increases its potential for habitability. Its size, about 1.4 times that of Earth, suggests it could have a solid surface capable of supporting oceans or even continents. The planet's location in the habitable zone, combined with its dense atmosphere and rocky nature, makes it one of the most promising targets in the search for extraterrestrial life. As we continue to study LHS 1140b, it offers a tantalizing possibility, a world where life could not only exist but potentially thrive, giving us hope that we are not alone in the universe. Now turning to Kepler 62f, a captivating exoplanet located approximately 1,200 light-years away. This distant world has captured the attention of scientists for its potential to be a water-rich planet. Kepler 62f is about 1.4 times the size of Earth, placing it in the category of super-Earths, and it orbits comfortably within the habitable zone of its star. This means it receives just the right amount of energy to allow liquid water to exist on its surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. What makes Kepler 62f particularly intriguing is the possibility that it could be entirely covered in vast oceans, creating a global aquatic environment. Such conditions could provide a stable habitat for microbial life, or even more complex organisms, depending on the planet's atmospheric composition and climate. While its distance from Earth makes it a challenging target for detailed study, Kepler 62f remains a beacon of hope in the search for life beyond our solar system. Its potential for hosting oceans and its position in the habitable zone make it a prime candidate for future exploration, offering a glimpse into the diversity of worlds that might one day reveal the secrets of extraterrestrial life. Now turning to GJ 357d, a super-Earth located just 31 light-years away. This intriguing exoplanet offers a tantalizing glimpse into the possibilities of life beyond our solar system. Situated within the habitable zone of its star, GJ 357d receives just the right amount of energy to potentially support liquid water on its surface, a crucial factor for habitability. What makes this planet particularly exciting is its relatively close proximity to Earth, making it a prime candidate for future exploration and study. However, studying GJ 357d comes with its own set of challenges. Its atmosphere, if it exists, could be thick and difficult to analyze, especially given the limitations of current technology. Despite these hurdles, the potential for liquid water and a stable environment makes GJ 357d a promising target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Its location in the habitable zone and its manageable distance from Earth position it as a key focus for astronomers and scientists who are eager to uncover the secrets this distant world might hold. As we continue to explore the cosmos, GJ357d stands as a reminder of the countless possibilities that await us in the vast expanse of space. Now turning to TOI 700d, an Earth-sized planet that has captured the attention of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Discovered by NASA, a transiting exoplanet survey satellite or TESS mission, this fascinating world orbits within the habitable zone of its star, where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. What makes TOI 700d particularly remarkable is its size. It's one of the few Earth-sized planets found in a habitable zone, making it a strong candidate for potentially supporting life. The planet's star, a small and cool M-dwarf, provides a stable environment, reducing the likelihood of extreme temperature fluctuations that could make life difficult. While the presence of liquid water has yet to be confirmed, the possibility of a stable climate and Earth-like conditions makes TOI 700d a prime target for further study. Its discovery marks a significant milestone in our search for habitable worlds, offering hope that Earth-sized planets with the right conditions for life might be more common than we once thought. As we continue to explore the cosmos, TOI 700d stands as a beacon of possibility, reminding us of the incredible potential that lies within the stars. Now turning to Kepler 1649c, a rocky exoplanet located 300 light-years away. This hidden gem in the cosmos has sparked excitement among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Discovered during a reanalysis of data from NASA's Kepler mission, Kepler 1649c is remarkably similar to Earth in both size and temperature, making it one of the most Earth-like planets ever found. Nestled comfortably within its star's habitable zone, this planet orbits at just the right distance to potentially support liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. What makes Kepler 1649c even more intriguing is its rocky composition, which suggests it could have a solid surface, much like our own planet. Despite being discovered years after the initial data collection, its identification highlights the importance of revisiting and reanalyzing old datasets, as they can still hold groundbreaking discoveries. While much remains unknown about this distant world, its Earth-like qualities and potential for liquid water make it a compelling candidate in the search for habitable planets. As we continue to uncover the secrets of the universe, Kepler 1649c serves as a reminder that even in the vastness of space, there are still hidden treasures waiting to be found. Now turning to K218b, a super-Earth located 110 light-years away, this fascinating planet has captured the attention of astronomers for a groundbreaking reason. It's the first exoplanet confirmed to have water vapor in its atmosphere. Situated within the habitable zone of its star, K218b orbits at a distance that could allow for the presence of liquid water, a critical factor for life as we know it. What makes this planet even more intriguing is its size, classified as a super-Earth. It's larger than our own planet, which raises questions about its gravity and surface conditions. While its high gravity could pose challenges for potential life forms, the discovery of water vapor in its atmosphere is a monumental step forward in the search for habitable worlds. This finding not only highlights the potential for liquid water, but also opens the door to further exploration of its atmospheric composition and climate. K218b stands as a testament to the incredible advancements in space technology and our growing ability to detect signs of habitability on distant planets. As we continue to study this remarkable world, it reminds us that the universe is full of surprises, and each discovery brings us closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? Now turning to Wolf 1061c, a rocky exoplanet located just 14 light-years away, this intriguing world offers a tantalizing glimpse into the possibilities of life beyond our solar system. Wolf 1061c sits comfortably within the habitable zone of its red dwarf star, a region where temperatures could allow for the presence of liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. What makes this planet particularly exciting is its proximity to Earth, making it one of the closest potentially habitable exoplanets discovered to date. However, its close orbit to a red dwarf star comes with its own set of challenges. Red dwarfs are known for their intense stellar activity, including powerful flares that could bombard the planet with radiation, potentially stripping away its atmosphere or making surface conditions harsh for life. Despite these hurdles, Wolf 1061c remains a prime candidate for further study, especially given its relative closeness to Earth. Its rocky composition and location in the habitable zone make it a promising target for future telescopes and missions aimed at analyzing its atmosphere and surface conditions. As we continue to explore this nearby world, Wolf 1061c serves as a reminder that the search for life beyond Earth is not just about distant, unreachable stars. It's also about the worlds that lie just within our cosmic backyard. Now turning to HD 40307G, a super-Earth located 42 light-years away, this fascinating planet offers another compelling candidate in our search for habitable worlds. HD 40307G sits within the habitable zone of its star, a region where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist on its surface. What makes this planet particularly intriguing is its classification as a super-Earth, meaning it's larger than our own planet but smaller than gas giants like Neptune. This size suggests it could have a rocky surface, making it a strong contender for supporting life. Additionally, HD 40307G's potential for a thick atmosphere adds another layer of interest. A dense atmosphere could help regulate temperatures, shield the planet from harmful radiation, and even support the presence of liquid water, key factors for habitability. However, much about this world remains a mystery. Its distance from Earth makes detailed observations challenging, but advancements in telescope technology are bringing us closer to understanding its true nature. HD 40307G stands as a reminder of the incredible diversity of exoplanets and the endless possibilities they hold. As we continue to explore this distant world, it serves as a beacon of hope in our quest to find life beyond Earth, proving that even in the vastness of space, there are worlds worth dreaming about. Now turning to Kepler 22b, we step into a groundbreaking chapter in the search for habitable worlds. Discovered in 2011, Kepler 22b holds a special place in the history of exoplanet exploration as the first planet found orbiting within the habitable zone of a Sun-like star. This remarkable world is located approximately 600 light-years away from Earth, and its discovery marked a significant milestone in our understanding of where life might exist beyond our solar system. Kepler 22b is about 2.4 times the size of Earth, placing it in the category of a super-Earth. Its orbit around its star takes 290 days, which is remarkably similar to Earth's year, and it resides in that sweet spot where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist on its surface. The presence of liquid water, as we know, is one of the most critical factors for habitability. While we don't yet know the exact composition of Kepler 22b, whether it's rocky, gaseous, or covered in vast oceans, its position in the habitable zone makes it a prime candidate for further study. The discovery of Kepler 22b was a turning point, proving that planets with Earth-like conditions could exist around stars similar to our Sun. It opened the door to a new era of exoplanet research, inspiring scientists to search for more worlds like it. As we continue to explore Kepler 22b and its potential, it serves as a reminder of how far we've come in our quest to find life beyond Earth and how much more there is to uncover in the vast expanse of space. Now turning to Ross 128b, we find ourselves looking at one of the closest potentially habitable exoplanets to Earth, located just 11 light-years away. This rocky world orbits a red dwarf star which is known for being cooler and smaller than our Sun. but Ross 128b's star is particularly special. Unlike many red dwarfs, which are prone to violent stellar flares that could strip away a planet's atmosphere, Ross 128b's star is remarkably stable. This stability increases the chances that Ross 128b could maintain a thick atmosphere, which is crucial for supporting liquid water and potentially life. Ross 128b sits comfortably within its star's habitable zone, where temperatures could allow water to exist in liquid form. While it's about 1.35 times the mass of Earth, making it slightly larger, its rocky composition and Earth-like conditions make it a fascinating target for future exploration. What's even more exciting is its proximity to Earth. At just 11 light-years away, Ross 128b is one of the nearest exoplanets in the habitable zone, making it a prime candidate for detailed study with future telescopes. Imagine the possibilities. This world could be one of the first we visit or observe in detail as our technology advances. Ross 128b represents not just a scientific opportunity, but also a beacon of hope in our search for life beyond Earth. Its discovery reminds us that habitable worlds might be closer than we think, waiting to reveal their secrets as we continue to push the boundaries of exploration. Now turning to Kepler 186f, we step into a groundbreaking discovery in the search for Earth-like worlds. This remarkable planet holds the distinction of being the first Earth-sized exoplanet ever found within the habitable zone of another star. Located approximately 500 light-years away, Kepler 186f orbits a red dwarf star, much cooler and smaller than our Sun. Despite its star's dimmer light, Kepler 186f sits at just the right distance to potentially support liquid water on its surface. Its size, only about 10% larger than Earth, makes it one of the closest matches to our home planet in terms of dimensions. This similarity raises exciting possibilities about its composition and atmosphere. Could it be rocky like Earth? Could it have the right conditions to sustain life? While we don't yet know for sure, its discovery marked a pivotal moment in astronomy. For the first time, scientists had concrete evidence that Earth-sized planets could exist in the habitable zones of other stars, opening the door to countless possibilities in the search for life beyond our solar system. Kepler 186f's discovery was a milestone that reshaped our understanding of the universe, proving that planets like ours might not be as rare as we once thought. As we continue to explore distant worlds, Kepler 186f stands as a symbol of hope and a reminder of how far we've come in our quest to find another Earth. Now turning to HD 85512b, we find ourselves exploring another intriguing candidate in the search for habitable worlds. Located 36 light-years away, this super-Earth orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a region where conditions might just be right for liquid water to exist. HD 85512b is about 3.5 times the mass of Earth, placing it in the category of super-Earths, which are larger than our planet but smaller than gas giants like Neptune. Its orbit around its star takes about 58 days, and while that might sound close, the star itself is cooler and dimmer than our Sun, meaning HD 85512b receives just enough warmth to potentially maintain a stable climate. Scientists believe this planet could have a thick atmosphere, which might help regulate temperatures and create conditions suitable for life. What makes HD 85512b particularly exciting is its potential for a stable environment. Unlike some exoplanets that experience extreme temperature swings or intense stellar activity, this world appears to be in a relatively calm and balanced orbit. While we don't yet know if it has oceans, continents, or even an atmosphere, its location in the habitable zone makes it a prime target for future study. HD 85512b reminds us that the universe is full of possibilities, and with each discovery, we inch closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone? Now turning to Gliese 667cc, we find ourselves examining another fascinating world in the search for life beyond Earth. Located just 22 light-years away, this super-Earth orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a red dwarf, which means it receives just the right amount of energy to potentially support liquid water. Gliese 667cc is about 4.5 times the mass of Earth, making it a prime example of a super-Earth. Its orbit around its star takes just 28 days, which might seem incredibly close, but because the star is much cooler and dimmer than our Sun, the planet remains within the sweet spot for habitability. One of the most intriguing aspects of Gliese 667cc is its potential for a stable climate. While red dwarf stars are known for their intense stellar activity, such as powerful flares, Gliese 667cc star appears to be relatively calm, increasing the chances of a stable environment. Scientists believe this planet could have a thick atmosphere which might help trap heat and create conditions suitable for life. However, there are challenges to consider. The planet's close orbit means it could be tidally locked, with one side always facing the star and the other in perpetual darkness. This could create extreme temperature differences, but if the atmosphere is thick enough, it might distribute heat more evenly. Gliese 667cc stands out as one of the most promising candidates for habitability, and its proximity to Earth makes it an exciting target for future exploration. As we continue to uncover the secrets of distant worlds, Gliese 667cc reminds us that the universe is brimming with possibilities, each one bringing us closer to answering the profound question, could life exist elsewhere? Now turning to Kepler 442b, we venture into the depths of space to explore a world that has captured the attention of astronomers and dreamers alike. Located 1,120 light-years away, this rocky exoplanet orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a region where conditions might just be right for liquid water to exist. Kepler 442b is particularly intriguing because of its striking similarities to Earth. It's about 1.5 times the size of our planet, making it a strong candidate for being a rocky world with a solid surface. Its star, slightly cooler and smaller than our Sun, provides just enough warmth to keep Kepler 442b in the sweet spot for potential habitability. Scientists estimate that this planet receives about 70% of the light Earth gets from the Sun, which could mean a stable climate, neither too hot nor too cold. This balance raises the exciting possibility of a world where life could thrive. One of the key factors that make Kepler 442b stand out is its age. At around 2.5 billion years older than Earth, this planet has had ample time to develop conditions that might support life. However, there are challenges to consider. Its distance from Earth makes detailed observations difficult, and we still don't know much about its atmosphere or surface conditions. Despite these uncertainties, Kepler 442b remains one of the most Earth-like exoplanets discovered to date, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the diversity of worlds that might exist beyond our solar system. As we continue to explore the cosmos, Kepler 442b serves as a reminder of the endless possibilities that await us in the search for life beyond Earth. Now turning to Teegarden star B, we shift our focus to a fascinating world just 12 light-years away from Earth. This rocky exoplanet orbits within the habitable zone of its star, Teegarden star, a small and relatively calm red dwarf. What makes Teegarden star B so intriguing is its potential to host liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Despite being much cooler and dimmer than our Sun, Teegarden star provides just enough warmth to keep this planet in the sweet spot where water could exist in liquid form. The stability of its star is another advantage, as red dwarfs like Teegarden star tend to have long lifespans and fewer violent flares compared to other types of stars. This stability increases the chances that Teegarden star B could maintain a climate suitable for life over billions of years. Its proximity to Earth also makes it a prime candidate for future study. At just 12 light-years away, it's one of the closest potentially habitable exoplanets we've discovered, offering scientists a unique opportunity to study its atmosphere and surface conditions in greater detail. While much remains unknown about this distant world, its combination of a stable environment, potential for liquid water, and relative closeness to Earth makes Teegarden's star B a standout in the search for life beyond our solar system. As we continue to explore the cosmos, this nearby exoplanet reminds us that the answers to some of our biggest questions might be closer than we think. Now turning to Kepler 1638b, we venture into the depths of space to explore a super-Earth located 2,500 light-years away from our home planet. This intriguing world orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a region where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. Kepler 1638b is a rocky planet larger than Earth, and its location in the habitable zone raises exciting possibilities about its potential to support life. The presence of liquid water is one of the key factors scientists look for when assessing a planet's habitability, and Kepler 1638b ticks that box. Its star, while different from our Sun, provides enough warmth to keep this planet in the sweet spot where water could remain in liquid form. What makes Kepler 1638b particularly fascinating is the possibility of a stable climate. While many exoplanets experience extreme temperature swings or chaotic weather patterns, Kepler 1638b's position in the habitable zone suggests it might have a more temperate environment. This stability could be crucial for the development and sustainability of life. Additionally, its size and composition make it a strong candidate for further study, as super-Earths like Kepler 1638b often have dense atmospheres that could trap heat and maintain surface conditions suitable for life. Despite being located 2,500 light-years away, Kepler 1638b has captured the attention of astronomers and astrobiologists alike. Its discovery by the Kepler Space Telescope marked another milestone in our search for habitable worlds beyond our solar system. While much remains unknown about this distant planet, its potential for liquid water, stable climate, and Earth-like characteristics make it a compelling target for future exploration. As we continue to uncover the mysteries of the universe, Kepler 1638b stands as a reminder of the vast possibilities that await us in the cosmos. Now turning to Proxima Centauri c, we shift our focus to a super-Earth located in the Proxima Centauri system, just over 4 light-years away from Earth. Unlike many of the planets we've discussed so far, Proxima Centauri c lies outside the traditional habitable zone of its star. This means it doesn't receive enough warmth to maintain liquid water on its surface, but that doesn't mean it's devoid of potential. In fact, this distant world has sparked significant interest among scientists due to its unique characteristics and the possibility of subsurface oceans. Proxima Centauri c is a cold, rocky planet with surface temperatures far below freezing. However, its extreme cold doesn't necessarily rule out the chance of life. Beneath its icy exterior, there could be vast oceans hidden beneath the surface, kept liquid by geothermal heat or tidal forces from its star. Such subsurface oceans have been theorized to exist on moons like Europa and Enceladus in our own solar system, making Proxima Centauri c a fascinating candidate for similar conditions. One of the biggest challenges of studying Proxima Centauri c is its distance from its star. Being outside the habitable zone means it's exposed to much harsher conditions, including extreme cold and limited sunlight. Yet, its proximity to Earth, just over 4 light-years, makes it an intriguing target for future exploration. Missions designed to study this planet could provide valuable insights into the potential for life in environments that don't fit the traditional definition of habitable. What makes Proxima Centauri C particularly significant is its role in expanding our understanding of where life could exist. While it may not have the surface conditions we typically associate with habitability, its potential for subsurface oceans opens up new possibilities. This challenges us to rethink what it means for a planet to support life and encourages us to explore beyond the boundaries of the habitable zone. As we wrap up our journey through these 20 planets, Proxima Centauri C serves as a reminder that the search for life is far from over. Its unique characteristics and proximity to Earth make it a prime candidate for future missions, offering a glimpse into the incredible diversity of worlds that exist beyond our solar system. With each discovery, we come one step closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone in the universe? Now, turning to the conclusion of our cosmic journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible diversity of worlds we've explored. From Proxima Centauri b, our closest exoplanet neighbor, to the distant and icy Proxima Centauri c, each of these 20 planets offers a unique glimpse into the potential for life beyond Earth. Whether it's the rocky landscapes of TRAPPIST-1e, the water-rich possibilities of Kepler-62f, or the subsurface oceans of Proxima Centauri c, these worlds challenge our understanding of habitability and inspire us to dream bigger. What's truly remarkable is how these discoveries expand our horizons. They remind us that life could thrive in environments we once thought impossible beneath icy surfaces, around dim red dwarf stars, or even in the extreme cold of planets outside the traditional habitable zone. Each of these planets represents a stepping stone in our quest to answer one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? As we look to the future, the possibilities for exploration are endless. Missions to these distant worlds could unlock secrets about their atmospheres, climates, and potential for life. Technologies like advanced telescopes and interstellar probes bring us closer than ever to uncovering the mysteries of these alien landscapes. The journey has only just begun, and the discoveries ahead promise to be nothing short of revolutionary. So, what do you think? Which of these 20 planets fascinates you the most? Is it the Earth like Kepler-452b, the enigmatic K218b with its water vapor, or the icy potential of Proxima Centauri c? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear which world captures your imagination. And if you're as excited about the future of space exploration as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. There's so much more to explore, and we can't wait to take you on the next adventure into the wonders of the cosmos. Until then, keep looking up. The universe is waiting.